Performing manual titrations with an autotitrator sounds strange, but doing so offers the advantages of an autotitration, such as data integrity, while at the same time no revalidation is needed. Hi, my name is Mona, and in this video I show you how manual titration works in OMNIS. You can simply prepare the system with a click and avoid manually handling glass burets. The sample handling remains the same. Dilute the sample in an appropriate solvent, add the indicator and place the beaker on the stirring plate. If you wish, you can use a sensor to document the titration curve. The titrant is then added with this manual dosing controller. When you first press the green Go button, the port of the cylinder unit OMNIS changes so that the titration can start. The longer you press the Go button, the more titrant is added. When approaching the endpoint, you can add smaller increments by pressing the button for shorter intervals. Once the endpoint is reached, as indicated by the color change, press the red fill button to stop the titration. OMNIS automatically calculates the results from the endpoint volume and sends it to your LIMS. This prevents any typos or errors coming from manually entering the data into your system. In the OMNIS software, you can see the volume of the endpoint, the corresponding result, as well as the recorded titration curve. All information is documented, and it's possible to review and sign the data, ensuring full compliance. Manual titration with OMNIS. Safe, simple and fully traceable. Reach out to your local Metrohm sales representative for further information.